because we're going to make jeté today, right? So where's my Yumi? So plié, relevé, fondu, pas de bourrée. So, yeah, plié, no, for assemblé, comme fifth. Plié, no, plié, relevé. 1, 2, 3, and yeah. I want you to use your arm. I want you to use your arms this way. We don't really usually use that in choreography, but I want you to use it so the weight goes down. I want you to hit the floor with your hands. Hit the floor with your hands so the weight is down. Okay? So everybody mark. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plié, whoosh, plié. Okay, like that. All together. Mark it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Plié. Okay, stop. Okay, everybody come on this side, So the first group's going to lead off, and then you're going to join. You're going to keep going across. So maybe you do 8 times altogether. The first group. Elaine, you're over here. First group, second group, over there.